Are your daily takings down? Are you struggling to obtain new leads? Are your bookings too few and far between? Are you wondering why the phone isn't ringing despite the excellent products or services you have to offer? It is highly likely that the only reason your hotcakes are not selling like, well, hotcakes is because the buyers out there aren't aware of you. We all know that marketing is essential, but we still feel reluctant to click the pay button. All too often, paying for advertising can seem like money down the drain. You spend out for an ad in a newspaper or magazine, and a few weeks later it's forgotten. But it doesn't have to be such a gamble. With affordable video marketing from redspan.com, you can create a selection of eye-catching videos. These become assets that you can use over and over again. They can be general, specific, or seasonal. These attention-grabbing videos can be shown to existing followers or to attract new ones. They can be embedded in websites and shared in social media. You've seen videos, and perhaps you've stopped scrolling to watch and listen. Your business needs a portfolio of videos of its own. Visit redspan.com to watch examples and to read testimonials from satisfied customers. Or simply contact us now for a no-obligation quote by emailing sales@redspan.com.